For years, the Jeep Wrangler has carried a reputation that made some safety experts uneasy. The iconic off-road sport utility vehicle is known for its rugged build, removable doors, and legendary trail capability, but its tall stance and narrow footprint also raised concerns in crash testing. In particular, rollover risk has been one of the biggest criticisms surrounding the Wrangler for quite some time. One of the key factors behind that reputation was its design. With a relatively high center of gravity and a boxy body structure, the Wrangler historically showed a higher rollover probability compared with many other crossovers and sport utility vehicles in its class. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the rollover risk for previous models was estimated at about 26.7%. Now, there is evidence that Jeep has made meaningful progress in addressing that concern. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety recently evaluated the updated 2026 Jeep Wrangler and reported that the vehicle stayed upright during the driver's side small overlap crash test. That may sound like a small detail, but it represents a major improvement for the vehicle. In earlier testing, the Wrangler had a tendency to tip dramatically during similar impact scenarios. The key change appears to come from an updated frame rail design. Engineers revised the structure of the frame rails to improve how the vehicle absorbs and distributes crash forces during a collision. This modification is not limited to the Wrangler alone. The same structural update was also applied to the 2026 Jeep Gladiator pickup. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, all Wrangler and Gladiator models, produced after October 2025, now include this revised frame rail structure. Thanks to this update, the Wrangler received an acceptable rating in the driver's side small overlap crash test. For vehicles in this category, that result is considered a respectable improvement compared with earlier performance. However, the results also show that there is still room for progress. Crash data suggests there remains a notable risk of injury to the front passenger, right foot and lower leg in certain impact scenarios. Because of that remaining concern, the Wrangler still does not qualify for the organization Top Safety Pick Award. Even so, the latest results represent a significant step forward. Earlier crash evaluations, including a well-known test from 2022, showed the Wrangler tipping sharply during a front impact. Even after a structural update introduced in 2020, the vehicle still received a marginal rating at that time due to rollover behavior and the possibility of injury to the driver, left leg, and foot. With the new frame rail design now in place, Jeep appears to have addressed one of the most visible weaknesses in the Wrangler safety record. For buyers who love the Wrangler legendary off-road personality, but have been concerned about crash performance, this update could make the vehicle far more appealing moving forward.